Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how Japan recovered from the atomic bomb. Following the immense devastation, Japan faced the monumental task of rebuilding its cities and society from the ground up. The immediate focus was on providing essential shelter and food, while simultaneously establishing a new democratic political framework. This critical period laid the groundwork for a truly remarkable transformation, demonstrating incredible national resilience and determination. Japan's economic recovery was fueled by several key factors. Substantial financial aid from the United States provided a vital boost, helping to stabilize the economy. The nation rapidly rebuilt its industrial base, shifting towards export-oriented manufacturing. Strategic investments in education and advanced technology also played a crucial role, fostering innovation and a highly skilled workforce. This laid the foundation for sustained economic expansion. Beyond economic changes, Japan underwent profound social and political reforms. A new constitution established a parliamentary democracy, guaranteeing fundamental rights and freedoms. Women gained significant new rights, including suffrage, marking a major societal shift. Extensive land reforms redistributed agricultural property, empowering farmers. Furthermore, education became universally accessible, fostering a more equitable and informed populace. These changes reshaped the nation's identity. Japan's recovery culminated in its emergence as a leading global economic power. The nation became renowned for its high-quality manufacturing and technological innovation, establishing strong international trade relationships. Continued heavy investment in research and development ensured sustained progress across various sectors. Today, Japan remains a vibrant and influential nation, constantly innovating in technology, culture, and global affairs, showcasing enduring resilience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.